So hey everyone, today we're gonna cover in this video a pharynx topic. So let's start. Pharynx is a wide muscular tube situated just behind the nose, the mouth and the larynx. If we talk about the upper part, middle part and the lower part of the pharynx, is the upper part is the air, only air passes, and in the middle part there is all passes food and air both. And in the lower part there passes only food. If we talk about the dimension is length. Length is about 12 centimeter and width is about 3.5 centimeter wide, the upper part. And if we talk about the middle part is the narrow, and the lower part is narrowest of the GIT. If we talk about the boundaries is from the superiorly there's a base of a skull. In the inferiorly there's the esophagus, lower part of cricoid cartilage. That is the part of the larynx part, lower part of the cricoid cartilage, and posteriorly prevertebral fascia, anteriorly nasal cavity, oral cavity, and the larynx. And on each side, tongue, hyoid bone, mandible, thyroid, and cricoid cartilage. So if you talk about the parts of the pharynx, whatever we studied here, upper part, lower part, and the middle part, these all belongs to this here. Nasal part is the upper part, oral part is the middle part, and laryngeal part is the lowest part. Upper part, nasal part is called nasopharynx, oral part is called oropharynx, and laryngeal part is called laryngopharynx. Now, let's talk about Waldear's lymphatic ring. What is that? There is a extensions of our tonsils. Like if you talk about here, there is a posterior and above structure. There is a nasopharyngeal tonsil, and if you talk about here, there is a lateral structure that is a tubal tonsil, and palatine tonsil is a right and left, and lingual tonsil is a inferior structure of the Waldear lymphatic rings. And for it learning process, there is a PPLT, pharyngeal, palatine, lingual, and tubal tonsil. And here some extra structures like auditory tube opening and intratonsil cleft between the tonsil. Now, if we talk about the muscles of the pharynx, there is some constrictors in pairs. There is a superior, middle, and inferior. And if we talk about the longitudinal muscle cord, there is a stylopharyngeus, palatopharyngeus, salpingopharyngeus. Now, if we talk about the nerve supply is from the vagus, glossopharyngeal, that is a parasympathetic, and superior cervical sympathetic ganglion. And if we talk about the blood supply is from external carotid artery, facial artery, and maxillary artery, and the lymphatic drainage into the retropharyngeal and deep cervical nodes. So, this all about the pharynx. If you like the video, then please like the button of like and subscribe it, and thank you so much.